know what I mean? I think someone sold it to him and made a lot of money. It doesn't do anything, just makes a noise. How do you scrub air? I have no idea. I don't know how it scrubs air. All right, dude number one on the Pear Deck. It's set up. Go. Solve it. Pear Deck, go. We're looking at your answers. How the heck do you scrub air? I think it's a scam. I think they just made this big box that makes a humming noise, and they said, hey, this scrubs air. Give us $1,000. Here you go. Scrubs air. How do you scrub? I mean, it's like, what does it take? Like, here's some air. I have some air right here. Right? I got some air. And what do you need? A brush? I don't know, pretend this is a brush. And you hold it in your hand and you scrub it. Am I scrubbing the air? I don't know. And then, like, do you rinse it out? Like, put it under water? Wash it with soap and water? I don't know how that works. How do you scrub the air? I don't know. Maybe you like, I don't know, maybe they have a holder, like a special device that holds the air and like a brush that goes all around it. I don't know. So confusing. Let's take a look at your answers. La 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 la. I don't know what the heck an air scrubber is. I'm really confused by that. Maybe I should Google it, see what it is. Air scrubber. Okay. Write in exponential form. Log 12 equals 1. Log base 1/4 equals -1. Let's take a look at your responses. Okay. Oh. Am I going too fast? I guess I'm going too fast. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, this one looks good so far. This one looks good. I got a correct answer here. Yes. Yes. Here we go. Correct answer. And they do equal. Oh, this is supposed to be 12, I'm assuming. Dude, 12 to the 1 does equal 12. So yes. And 1/4 to the -1 does equal. We should probably put these in parentheses so it shows the whole thing, I guess. Not necessarily. It's not wrong, but just to show. But it is equal. Make sure that the negative doesn't go to just the numerator. Numerator. You know what I'm talking about. Oh, there it is. That's what I wanted. Right, we got the base of 12. And then we switch these two. So base and the 1 equals here, and the 12 goes there. Boom. That's all you've got to do. Base of 1/4. And then we switch the -1 and the 4. 1, it looks like that, but let's put it in parentheses because it's easier to see. This is multiple choice, so it won't really matter that much. And then that equals 4. Okay, boom. Let's move to the next one. Are there any questions? I'll show that to you. I'll leave it there. Those are the answers. Are there any questions? Questions. All right, moving on. Okay. There's the answer. You guys can see it through my screen or your Pear Deck, I'm assuming. Here's the next one. Write in log form. Go for it. Write those in log form. I'm taking roll while you guys are doing that. Write that in log form. Write in log form. Air, scrubbing air. Who would have thought? What will they come up with next? You know what I mean? Okay, Javier Abonce. Estrella Avalos.
Here.
Olivia Bryant.
Here.
Anthony Campos. Ramon Carrillo. Kimberly Cedillo Plata. Christian Cervantes.
Here.
Alex Garcia. Kimberly Garcia.
Here.
Alexandria Gutierrez. Micah Hannigan.
Here.
Sandra Hernandez.
Here.
Kyle Hernandez.
Here.
Catherine Laura.
Here.
Aaliyah Lee.
Here.
Stephen McNaughton.
Here.
Lilia Madrano.
Here.
Jackson Marino. Camila Moffitt.
Here.
Laura Punto.
Here.
Evan Quintana.
Here.
Danielle Ramirez.
Here.
Noah Raveles.
Here.
Daniel Reyes.
Here.
Lisbeth Reyes.
Here.
Emily Rodriguez.
Here.
Alexis Romero. Bryson Santos.
Here.
Kenji Sasaki.
Here.
Madison Smith.
Here.
Eduardo Solano.
Here.
Jada Stone.
Here.
Nikander Trong.
Here.
Okay, boomity boom. All right, here's who I have absent. I have Javier Abonce, Anthony Campos, Ramon Carrillo, Kimberly Cedillo Plata, Alexander Gutierrez, Alexandria Gutierrez, Jackson Marino. Javier, are you here?
I'm here.
All right. Anthony.
Yeah.
All right. Ramon. Kimberly.
Here.
Alexander Garcia.
Here.
Alexandria Gutierrez. Jackson.
Here.
That's it. I just have Ramon and Alexandria absent. Ramon? Alexandria? Are you there? All right, I guess not. Okay, let's take a look at what you guys got here. How am I going to do this in the classroom? This is going to be weird. In the classroom, I'll be teaching with my mask on. I should get a cool mask. Just what would be a cool mask that I could get? Okay. Okay, log base 8. Make sure you write the 8 smaller. I know it's harder to see here. It's hard to tell if that's what you intended to do. Log base 8 and switch to the 4 and the 2/3. Very good. And then log base 6, 1/2. Not enough room. I'm not going to say it's wrong because what do you have to work with? How do you fit all this stuff in here? Log base 8, 4 equals 2/3. Log base 6, 1/2 -3. Yes, that's right. Yes. And see how the 8's kind of below? Got to make it below and small. That's the main thing. Oh, this one's perfect. See how the 8 is small and below? Log base 8, 4 equals 23. Log base 6, 1/2 These are correct. These are correct. I mean, everyone else is correct. This one is very clear. Whoever did this, very good. It's so hard to write here. I don't know how you did it. It's like a talent. Talent. Wow. Log base. So you guys get the idea. That's it. I think we got the idea. And then so here, yes, you can't do the lower. So, but the late 8 needs to be lower, but you can't do it. You can't type it lower. I get it. You get it. So this is right. Very good. Very good. I like how you can fit the typing. I don't know how you do it. You guys are so talented. Okay. Just as long as you know that the 8 and the 6 need to be tiny and smaller and lower. Lower. Let's do the next one. I think that's good. Are there any questions on this? See, the 8 is smaller and lower. Okay. I put the answers here. I didn't want the answers. So here's how it's going to look on the test. I'm going to write it here so you can see better, because this is log 1. Evaluate log 1/5 to 125. What does that equal? And then the test is also going to say, just so you guys know, log 36 to the 6, what does that equal? Okay, so this is what it's going to look like on your test. It's going to say evaluate. So what does log base 1/5 125? What does that equal? Right? So what does that equal? So I think the best way to do this is you put a little question mark here, or an X or whatever. Put an X, put a Y. I'm putting a question mark. And write it in exponential form. So let's say log base 1/5. Okay. And then remember, we switch those and we put the question mark up here. Here, let me put this in. I put the question mark right here. And remember the 125 and the question mark, switch. There you go. So the question is, what is log 1/5 to log base 1/5 to 125? What does that equal to? Okay, well, in order for this to equal 125, it's going to have to equal what? What is that going to have to equal, right? What is the question mark going to be? Let's see. Is anyone getting this? Let's go. I'm going to throw a question out there for someone. Let's see if you know the answer. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Let's go with Aaliyah. What do you think it is, Aaliyah?
For which one?
This one right here that I'm doing. What's the question mark? You probably weren't looking at my screen, probably looking at your Pear Deck, huh?
Yeah, I was looking at the Pear Deck.
Okay. Well, can you tell now by looking at it since I switched it around? The answer is in the Pear Deck, by the way. It's right there in the Pear Deck. Let's go with Alexis. What do you think, Alexis? What is the question? Huh?
-3.
Correct. It is -3. Why? I'll tell you why. Because, side note here, 5 to the 3rd equals 125. So 1/5 to the -3rd, remember you write it as a reciprocal, would be equal to 5 to the 3rd, which is that. So it's going to be equal to -3. Basically, -3 brings this up and makes it equal to 125. Okay, so don't look at your Pear Decks, guys. Look at my screen because I have the answer there. I just want to show you how this works. I'll show you one more time. Look at my screen. Look at what do you call it? Pin me up. So again, here's how you do this. Look at how I have this written out. On your test, it's going to say evaluate. It's going to say evaluate. And it's going to say, what is log base 36.6 equal to? What is that equal to, right? And like I said, what we're going to do is you're going to, let's do a different color. I'm going to say, hey, you can put an X or whatever. Let's put a question mark. What is that equal to? All right, so then let's write it in exponential form. Log base 36. And then you switch this, the question mark and the 6, question mark. Oh, this is a hard one. Okay, what do you think that question mark is equal to? Now, the answer is in the Pear Deck, but if you can try to figure it out yourself, try not to look at the Pear Deck. How do I make it smaller with an exponent? How do I make it smaller with an exponent? How do you make it smaller with an exponent? Hey yo ho 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 ho. Hey yo ho 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 ho. Hey 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 ho. Hey do 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 do. What does it equal? What does it equal? Whoa! I'm flipping around. Ah! What does it equal, guys? Sensei's gonna torture me. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm torturing Black Spaceman. Black suit spaceman, I guess. It didn't sound politically correct. Okay. Let's go with Bryson. What is the question mark equal to?
1/2.
1/2. Good job, homie. Because that's like the square root. Boom, 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 boom. Right? 1/2 is equal to the square root, right? 1/2 of 36. 36 to the 1/2 is equal to the square root of 36, right? Because remember, it's like we have a little 2 there. Boom, let's move on. I'm moving on. Are there any questions before I move on? Stop presenting. Let's look at the pair deck. Boom, look at your pair deck. Okay, expand the natural log of 5x to the 7th over y. Okay, see if you can do. So remember, when I divide these, as long as I have the same base, I can subtract, and then I can use the power rule, power, to bring that in front of the 5. So you change it to subtraction problem. Look up the quotient rule in your notes right there. Look up the quotient rule. Quotient. Look up the quotient rule. 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 Lilia, how you doing?
Good.
There you are. Jackson, how you doing?
Good.
Yeah, turn that camera on, homie.
It's not
Micah, you
turning on
too.
today.
What?
It's not turning on today.
Why?
Like,
What? Describe. I'm just curious. Describe your atmosphere to me, so I know what's going on. I feel left out.
my
Tell me your
atmosphere?
atmosphere. Yeah. Like,
I'm
where
in
are
the
you
kitchen.
sitting? Are you eating anything? Do you have
I'm in the kitchen and I just made eggs and a shake.
Oh, you're not cooking while you're doing class, are you?
I was.
No, don't cook during class, especially studying for a test. Hey, tell me what you put in the shake though.
Protein powder.
Whoa, buff.
Nesquik, the chocolate.
Ooh, delicious. Delicious.
And then peanut butter powder.
Holy, that sounds delicious. That makes me
Yeah.
hungry. And I bet you're freaking
It tastes
yoked.
like a Reese's. Like a
Oh
Reese's.
my gosh. Oh my gosh. That does sound, dang, that sounds delicious. You just made me hungry. Makes me want to teach and cook at the same time. Micah, are you there? You're not even responding. Micah! 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 Should we all yell Micah? Micah, are you skipping class? Did I mark you here? Micah? Micah, why's your camera off? So you can... Micah. 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 Help me. Micah. Dude, turn your camera on. I think you're doing it so you don't have to show up to class. How come you're not talking to me? My feelings, Micah, we're trying to get on the class. Like, speak, not type. So impersonal. Dude, I can't. You can't talk? What do you mean you can't talk? Typing easier. No, dude, homie, see me after class. Okay, you guys see me after class. All right, I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's go. Let's go with, okay, expand. Here's the answer. Oh, let's see what your responses are actually. Ooh. Ooh, nice. That one's right there. Looking good. Okay, this one looks good. Natural log 5 plus 7 natural log x minus natural log y. That's pretty solid right there. Natural log 5 plus 7 Okay, they're on their way there. Okay. This is it. Remember, multiplication is addition and division is subtraction. La 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 la. Natural log 5x to the 7th divided by, as long as the base is the same. Hey, what's the base of the natural log? What is the base of the natural log? What is the base of the natural log? Christian, what's the base of the natural log? As I'm working this out.
Isn't it 10?
No. It starts
is
with the
it
letter E. So as Christian's thinking about it, I can write this log 5x7. Now, since I'm dividing here, natural log y, right? And then, since I'm multiplying here, I can write this as natural log 5 plus natural log x to the 7th minus natural log y. Christian, did you figure it out?
Yeah.
What is it? What's the base?
E.
Yeah, there you go. Good job, homie. And then we bring this 7 down there, right, using the power rule. And I say natural log 5 plus 7 natural log x minus natural log y. And that's all you've got to do. Boom. Oops, there's the full answer. Are there any questions? La 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 la. Okay, let's do the next one, shall we? Boom. No questions. Okay, and there's the answer. What you guys got? Expand. Condense, which is the opposite. Go ahead and condense that sucker. Condense it. Condense it. Danielle.
Yeah.
When's the last day of turning in work?
I think it's Friday.
I just said it in the beginning of class. See if anyone else knows. Emily, when's the last day?
I was on my phone during the beginning of the class, so I had to switch over to the laptop.
Okay. Well, that's so good. Good. I'm asking then. Estrella, what's the last day of turning in work in my class?
The 30th?
There you go. Hear that, Danielle?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So if you want to see me after class about making up some stuff, you got to come. Okay, let's check out your answers. Madison, how's it going? Where'd she go? Madison, where are you? I can't even find you. Madison, can you hear me? Madison. Madison. Now I'm losing my track because Madison. Okay. Okay, guys. Madison, are you there? Is she okay? Okay. Now oh, it's lagging. Okay. I want to make sure you're okay. I'm glad you're okay. All right. So condense. Let's see what you guys got. E. No, just leave it as log. No E. There's no E in this. This is log base 10 if it's not natural log. But you keep it as, even if it's natural log, you don't do you just do the natural log. Expand. Okay, I think I understand. The condense is different than changing it to exponential form. Condense is like making the addition, multiplication, and the subtraction a division. Okay, yeah, there you go. Okay, so log 10. No, you want to say, yeah, log 3, you raise the 3. That becomes 18 divided by 3. Log 10, 24. Log 24. Yeah, you don't need the 10, but still. 24, 24, 27 to the 2/3. Is that 24 maybe? I don't know. 24, 54, 54. There it is. Log 24. Boom. What the heck? Somebody's saying, what the heck, Sensei? How the heck did you get that? Minus log. Well, let's do our little rules. Okay? So here's a problem. Let's do the power rule first and bring the 3 up. So I say log 9 plus log 2 raised to the 3, right? The 3 goes here. Minus log 3. Now 2 to the 3 is 8, right? 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So let's rewrite this as log 9 plus log 8 minus log 3. Okay, so now using the product rule, I can say this is log 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. And then I could just write this as, using the quotient rule, log 72 over 3. 72 divided by 3 is, what is 72 divided by what? 24. Log 24. Sorry. Log 24. Boom. That's it. Any questions? Today feels warmer than yesterday. Boom. Okay. Oh, why do I have the answer there? Oh, okay. Solve using the change of base. Okay, so go ahead and solve that using the change of base formula. Solve that using the change of base. Solve that using the change of base. I'll do a quick poll. I know I asked this last week, and I'm always curious about this, see if anyone's changed their minds. Okay, when you're done with that, you can do the poll. Let's take a look at what you guys got here. Okay, so change of base is, well, let me see what you guys got. You're going to come up with a number. It needs to come up with one number. Probably a lot of you don't remember how to do the change of base. Change of base. I'm not dismissing the class until everyone does the poll. Until everyone does the poll. Just click it. Click the poll. So I'm not dismissing you. I only have 7 people have done the poll. And there are 30 of you in the class right now. So I need 30 votes. 30 votes. If you don't know, put no, I guess. I should have put I don't know as one of the options, but oh well. Only 18 votes. All right. What was the question? Log 6. Log 624. Okay, so we have here log 6 Log base 624. Using the change of base. Oh, I'm running out of ink with that. Okay, remember the change. Now, this is log base 6, but our calculator has a log base 10, or we have a log base E, right? So you could use either one. So let's change it to 10. So I say log base 10 over 24 divided by log base 10 over 6. And so that's what you write out. And you put the 24 on top, the 6 on the bottom. And all you do is just say, hey, log 24. Can you guys see that? Log 24 divided by log 6. And we get 1.77 approximately. 1.774. And that should be your answer. You can also use the natural log. Same thing. It's just the log base E, the natural log 24 over natural log 6. You'll get the same answer. You're just changing the base to E on that one, right? So natural log 24. Make sure you close the parentheses and practice on your calculator. Divided by natural log 6. And I get same thing, 1.774. Can you see that? It's kind of hard to see. I don't know. It's because of the light in my room. Anyway, that's that. Are there any questions? Looks like a lot of you had trouble with that one. 1.774. So yes, log, see, they use the natural log. You can do the log base 10. Use the natural log base E. Either way works. Okay, I'm moving on. Okay, go ahead and solve that. Go ahead and solve it. Raise it to the E to get rid of the natural log. This one's pretty straightforward. Oh. And also study all the other log stuff besides the stuff that I gave you on this review. Study all the other log stuff. Let's see. I got 25 votes. I still need one more vote. One person. I need 26. Who has not voted? Let's see. What's the polls look like? Not many of you. Well, I encourage you to come if you feel safe. It'll be good to get back. It's going to be hard, man. I think it's going to be hard to get back. Really hard. But you got to do it. Got to get back into life if you feel safe. All right. All right, checking out your answers. I think this one's pretty straightforward, so we could probably move on. I don't think I need to show you how to do this one. Four. That's what I got. Four. That's what I got. Four. That's what I got. Four. 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 Are there any questions on how we got this? You just basically drop the natural logs by raising it to the E and just solve for X. 4, 4, 4. Are there any questions? Okay, no questions? Here's how you solve it. Whoa, you just drop it, subtract x, add 7, divide by 3. Boom. Next one, go ahead and solve this one. Go ahead and solve this one. Good luck. I'll give you a hint. Use the product rule. Use the product rule. Good luck. Hardest one. I'm going to give you another hint soon too. If you were stuck after you use the product rule. Next hint. Not yet. Don't give it yet, Sensei. Don't give it yet. Don't give the hint yet, Sensei. Give him a chance to solve it, Sensei. Give him a chance. Give him a chance to solve it. Give him a chance, Sensei. Okay, second hint, if you're stuck, raise it as an exponent to the base of 10 on both sides. What the heck did he just say? Raise it as an exponent for the base of 10 on both sides. What is he talking about? Okay, here we go. Let's check out your answers. It says I'm sharing. Actually, I don't even know what the answer is. $10, 10, 10, 10, or -5. There are two answers. It is 10 or -5. 10, 10, 10, or -5. 10, 10. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. Either you know how to do it or you don't. Okay, here we go. So because I'm adding, I can use the product rule. So I'm going to write this as log 2x times x minus 5 equals 2. Since I have the same base, I can multiply this times this with the base of 10. Now let's drop the log. Remember, since this is a log base 10, if I make this an exponent to 10, I'd make this side exponent to 10. That drops the log base 10. So then this goes like this. Any questions on that step? So then I have 2x times x minus 5 equals 10 raised to the second power. Multiplying it out, 2x squared minus 10x equals 100. And then it's a quadratic. So what do we do with quadratics? We set them equal to 0. Right? And then, hey, you know it. I'm going to do the X box parentheses. You don't need to. I just like it. Okay, so what do I put up here? Negative. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm not going to do X box parentheses. Let's make it easier. I can factor out a 2 here and go 2 times x squared minus 5x minus 50 equals 0. And then I just need to do the x box, just do the x. So I got -50 and -5. What times what equals -50 and adds and equals -5? Anyone? Anyone? Any ideas? What is it? What equals -50 and adds -5? Anyone?
-5 and 10.
Yes. How about -10 and 5, I think, though? right? I think that's what it should be.
No, you're right.
Okay, thank you. Sometimes I'm not sure. I mean, sometimes I know I make mistakes. So this should be, what is x equal to? Well, in order for this to be 0, can you guys see my little writing here? X must equal 10. And this has to be -5. X must equal -5. And that's all you got to do. That's the last problem I have. Are there any questions? I'm going to get rid of this in 10 seconds. All right. Hey, remember, listen. I think only 6 of you said you're going to come to the class, but hey, guess what? If you come in my classroom, you'll be able to see an air scrubber. You'll be seeing an air scrubber. Does that make you want to go even more? Right? An air scrubber. Oh my gosh, is this what an air scrubber is? All right. Are there any questions? Test tomorrow. Okay, you guys can go. I'll see you tomorrow. If you have questions, stay after class. You guys were awesome. Bye, Danielle. Bye, Kimberly. Bye, Stephen. Bye, Kyle. Bye, Laura. Bye, Alexis. Bye, Kenji. Bye, Estrella. Bye, Lilia. Bye, Eduardo.
Sorry my camera isn't on. Whenever I turn it on, it's just like a black screen. So
Oh, that's okay. You usually have it on. Yeah. Was it happening in your other classes? Or your other teachers probably don't make you put the camera on, huh, Jada?
camera on for the other classes.
Okay. Lucky, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, are you going to come tomorrow? Are you going to come next week to school?
No.
All right. I understand. All right. How are things going with your other classes in school and stuff?
Good.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you later. Let's see. Who else? Madison, do you have a question?
Oh, I just wanted to say, I heard you calling on me in class, but my Chromebook started lagging and it wouldn't let me
Oh,
unmute, but I was
That's okay. You're good. I didn't do anything. Oh, I was supposed to hold Micah over though. He just said he couldn't turn the microphone on. Thank you for telling me that, Madison.
Yeah, of course. Bye.
All right. Have a good one. All right. Cassandra and Alexandria, are you there? I don't know if you're there or not.
Yeah, I was marked absent because I came in a little late and my
All right.
laptop died.
Let's get you. Alexandria. And all right, Alexandra, you're good.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Cassandra?
Yeah, I have a question.
Sure. What's up?
So I use my iPad for my